Hello friends, we learned the objectives in the module 12 pedagogy of science and what is there in the outline content also. Next, we found out what was in the design of the template in the portfolio activity on module 12 pedagogy of science. Now, we observe the lesson plan. Subject EVS, Our World 3. This is Andhra Pradesh State's new textbook. Class 3, class size 8, lesson 6th unit, Water, the gift from nature. Allotted periods 8. Lesson description. The lesson deals about the uses of water, importance of water and different types of water sources. Keywords: water resources, irrigation, scarcity, aquaculture, overflow, agriculture, protected water, pollution. Learning outcomes. Pupils will be able to speak about water and water well, write and share how water is used and misused and how to save water. Know the need of water in our life. Tell about availability of water resources and causes of scarcity of water. Next, resources or technology. That means TLM. Textbook, water cycle chart, water resources chart, water uses and misuses videos. Next, teaching learning activities. First, I will start the lesson with the rhyme to bring out attention and motivation. Rhyme. Happy little raindrop falling from the sky. Happy little raindrops falling from the sky. We can hear saying to the clouds goodbye. We can hear saying to the clouds goodbye. Happy little raindrop falling at your feet. Happy little raindrop falling at your feet. We can see you running down the busy street. We can see you running down the busy street. Happy little raindrop falling from the sky. Happy little raindrop falling from the sky. After that, I asked the children what they noticed in this rhyme. Students say there is a topic about rain. Now I will say that rain means water, and we will learn some more information about water, water resources and water uses etc. in our lesson. Then I will write the title of the lesson on the board. Title is Water. The subtitle is The Gift of Nature. I go on to say that every single activity is systematic and understandable to children. Activity 1. First, questioning for a basic understanding of students on uses of water. For example, what are the uses of water in your neighborhood? Their answer: drinking, cooking, washing, etc. Then I go to textbook and discuss through the pictures. Uses of water. Let us tell how is water used in their neighborhood. Drinking, bathing, cooking, washing clothes, watering, cleaning. And water is used for many activities in our homes. In addition to this, we use water for other purposes. Put off fire, agriculture, aquaculture, constructions. Activity 2. Let us know the resources of water. Oceans, rivers, lakes, streams, ponds and springs are natural sources of water. Look at the pictures. There are so many water sources pictures. Ocean, river, lake. Dams, wells, tube wells, hand pumps, canals are man-made sources of water. Activity: tick the water sources available in your village. Activity 3. Discussion on scarcity of water. In many villages, people get water from the village well. Some people walk very far to get water for their daily use. The wells and ponds dry up during summer, and the water in the borewells also get decreased. In some places, people wait for the water tankers or public taps. So, we don't waste the water, we save water. Activity 4. Let's find out how many ways water gets polluted. Can you drink water directly from all the available sources? Yes. We can't drink the water all the available sources. Protected water. We can see water around us, but we do not drink it directly from all the sources. May be polluted due to different activities. Let us observe these pictures. What are they doing? Water gets polluted due to human activities. We have to drink pure water. Government is provided pure water under the Safe Drinking Water Scheme to all the people. Do not drink unsafe water. And also, don't pollute the water to do these types of things. Activity 5. Let us know how many ways water becomes waste in our surroundings. My dear children, I want to say something important. Water is very precious. Please do not waste water. Do you know what happens if you waste water? Let us observe the following pictures. How is water being wasted in your surroundings? How can you help? What should be done to stop wastage of water? Think and discuss with your friends. Activity 6. Let us know how to save water. Every family must and should follow some steps at home to save water. Uses small glass to drink water. Washes fruits and vegetables in a bowl of water and not waste under running tap water. Never allows water to overflow from the bucket. Turns off the taps immediately after using water for brushing, washing clothes, taking bath, etc. Checks the pipes for leaks. Turns off the motor when the tank is full. Create awareness not to waste water. Put up slogans not to waste water. We should not allow water to overflow. We should turn off the tap before water overflows from the vessel. Assessment. First, self-assessment. Knowing their perception by asking these questions. First one, what are the uses of water in our daily life? What happens if there is no water? Give a few examples of water resources. How can you save water? Second, group assessment. Collect information from your friends about how they save water. Fill the table. First, name of the friend, source of water, water saving method. For example, Radha. Source of water is tap water. Water saving method is turn off tap while brushing. Suggestions: don't waste water, don't pollute water. Visit a protected freshwater scheme in your village and observe how water is supplied and the steps taken to supply. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.